Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by assessing damage and preparing to work safely. Identify if the pin is seized, hinge leafs are bent, or bolts have stripped threads. This informs the repair path. Spray penetrating oil and let it soak while you jack and block the door to remove load. Mark hinge alignment with pencil or tape for reinstallation. Once done, loosen bolts in sequence rather than ripping them out. Make sure to keep fasteners organized so reassembly mirrors removal and preserves factory alignment. You now remove the hinge and recondition parts for longevity. With the door supported, back out mount bolts evenly until the hinge separates. Once free, drive the pin out using a drift and light hammer. Replace any pin that's bent or worn. Clean both hinge leaves and mounting surfaces. Wire brush, sand pitting, and remove debris so surfaces mate flush. Afterward, coat pins and bores with anti-seize and a rust inhibitor. This prevents future seizure and preserves smooth pivot action when you reassemble. You finish by reinstalling, adjusting, and validating the repair. Start bolts by hand, align hinge to your marks, then torque incrementally to factory spec while checking door fit. Make sure the latch engages smoothly and gaps are even. If you need fine adjustments, loosen one bolt, shift hinge slightly, and retorque. Use thin shims only when necessary. Test the door through 10 to 20 open-close cycles to seat parts. If binding or noise persists, recheck pin straightness, mating surfaces, and bolt torque.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.